Hey, how's it going, everyone? So I'm actually here in Mooresville, North Carolina at GoPro Motorplex with my buddy Anthony here. And we're doing something a little bit different today. So we're actually gonna be running karts. We're gonna be running his personal kart here, which is a K100 kart. It's got about 10 more horsepower than the rentals, and it's about half the weight. And then you'll see us running the rental karts as well. But I figured it'd be good to kind of throw a video together for you guys to show you what I like to do in the off season, and show you what helps keep me sharp. I know I've talked about the simulators and stuff like that in my first video, but this is kind of the other aspect, and I think it can help a lot of you with your racecraft, and just racing in general. And it's a good way to kind of get your foot in the door if you don't want to spend a ton of money, because to come rent a kart here, I think is like $25 for 10 or 15 minutes, and you can run as much or as little as you want. One awesome thing about karts compared to cars is the raw driving experience they provide. I love them because there's no ABS, there's no power steering, there's no traction control or anything like that. So it really teaches you how to drive something on the limit without those aids. It definitely is beneficial to translate over, because with cars you have all that help. So when you learn on something that's such a raw platform, driving a car is so much easier. With the karts that we're gonna be running, none of them have front brakes, so it's only rear brakes. So you can actually lock up the rear end, and the rear end of the kart's gonna come around on you if you're not careful. So there's no ABS, so you have to really control the kart through your left foot. But it is cool because you can get the kart to rotate under braking. So it's a totally different driving style, but again, it does teach you the characteristics of having to control something that doesn't have any aids, it doesn't have any way of helping you drive. So the plan is for you guys, I'm gonna turn a few laps in this K100 kart, and then we're gonna jump over to the rentals later on this afternoon.
Ready, here we go, boy.
I hope this helps you guys in seeing all the different things you can do in the off season and just kind of throughout the year to make yourself faster. I challenge you to get as much seat time as you can, whether it be in a car, on a simulator, or in a kart. I feel like all three of these things combined are what have helped me get up to pace so quickly and help me stay fresh throughout the year. So if you have a local kart track, go to it. If you're in North Carolina, I would definitely say go to GoPro Motorplex. Check them out. They have a phenomenal facility. They're amazing people, and their karts are usually pretty consistent. If you're in Virginia, I know there's a few places in Richmond, and I know VIR also has their own kart track as well, which is a great time. So I hope all of this helps, and I hope you guys learned a little bit just kind of about me and why I choose to run karts and why you should too.